Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 3D modeling. Exercise number 9. First, select the new part. Now pick front plane for sketching. Now, select the circle command and draw a pair of circles as in manual. Specify the given dimensions using Smart Dimension command. After sketching, now select extruded bars in features and specify the extrusion dimension and give the end condition to be mid-plane. Now again select the front plane for sketching and draw a pair of circles parallel to the previously drawn part. Specify its required dimensions and also specify its dimension from the previously drawn part. Now select the centers of both the part and the sketch and give the relation horizontal. After sketching, in features, select extruded bars and specify the dimension of extrusion and the end condition to be mid-plane. After sketching, again select the front plane for sketching, select the line command and draw a pair of lines at the top and bottom of the sketch. These lines should be tangent to the parts. Now select convert entities and convert the edges of both the parts. Now in features, select extruded bars. Select the directions and dimension of extrusion. Also specify end condition to be mid-plane. Now select the face of the part for sketching and draw a slot over the part. Specify its vertical and horizontal dimensions from the edges of the part. After sketching, in features, select extruded cut. Check whether the end conditions and the dimensions are given in the manual. Now select front plane for sketching and select a center line and draw a center line from the center of the large circle. Again draw a center line and specify the angle between both the lines, which is given in the manual. Now, after dimensionings of the two lines, select offset entities and specify the entities to be offset and also the offset dimension. Offset the line in both the directions. After completing the sketch, in Features, select Extruded Bars. Specify its end condition to be midplane and dimension of extrusion. Now, select Hole Wizard . Specify the type of hole to be produced over the part and the hole specifications. Specify the end condition to be through all. Now, give the position of the hole over the part. After creating hole, now edit the sketch of the hole and specify its angle as given in the manual. Exit sketch. Now, again select Hole Wizard. Specify the type of the hole to be produced over the part. Then hole profile, also the end condition. Give the position of the hole over the part. Once the hole is produced, check the dimensions using Edit Sketch option. And give the dimensions if required. Change the dimensions of the hole as given in the manual using Edit Sketch option. Now, select the face of the part and give sketch. Select line command and draw the outline of the 3D profile as given in the manual. After sketching, specify its required dimensions using Smart Dimension command. Specify all the required dimensions which are given in manual in order to fully define the sketch. Once all the required dimensions are given in features, select extruded bars and specify the end conditions and give the contours to be extruded. That's it. Our 3D part is completed.